This is rendered at HANKSTERS Hot Rods. A new addition to our inventory is the 78 Trans Am. It has the authentic Falcon bird on the hood. The shaker hood was 6.6 liter engine. It is the matching numbers original 400 Pontiac motor that came with this car. All the flares and ground effects and spoilers, all this stuff's in really good condition. Has the proper decals, the bright side moldings, the brake trim on the windshield, and all the glass is really nice on this car. This car didn't get driven a lot in bad weather because there's no chips, no scratches. Glass is really important. And it has the 225/70/15 Grand Sport radials all the way around. They're all the same size. The door latches, door jambs, everything, all the decals are proper. The car is very original, very clean. No cigarette burns or anything on the seats. It's a beautiful interior for original. Yeah, really, really clean car. It does have power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. And power windows also. And it has the inside mirror adjustment. You come to the back, the brake molding on the back. The brake molding on the back windshield is every bit as crisp as the front. The quarters and the rubber bumper, everything in this is not nicked up or dinged up or nothing. Somebody liked this car and was careful driving it. It's very clean. Inside the trunk on both sides, there's no work in here. This is all original. Those are the original mats for the car. Put the carburetor, the same thing on this side. It's all original, very well taken care of. That's the original spare. You actually put the spare on, and then you use that canister to pump the tire up. There's nothing else will fit in the trunk of a Trans Am. Tail lights are in real good condition. There's nothing wrong here. Like I said, this stuff's all very clean. Very clean lines. It's original wheels also on this car with the original centers. Same thing inside, all the bright chrome stuff, the emblem, badging, all very nice. The paint is really shiny too, real smooth. Somebody took care of this car and really, they appreciated it. The camera on the front on this, same thing, all this bright moldings. This is all the way it's supposed to be. And the appearance of this car is just incredible. Somebody's gonna get a really enjoyable cruiser. We'll just check the hood. This is all original. It's a shaker hood. It's factory on this car. Like I said, power steering, power brakes, factory air. Matching numbers, 400 engine, 4-barrel. Very clean under the hood. This stuff's really, somebody liked this car a lot. This car has been inside more than anything. Somebody really took care of this car. Hi, this is Renner from HANKSTERS Hot Rods. A new arrival is a 78 Pontiac Trans Am. Now this car has the original matching numbers 400 engine, has the turbo 350 transmission, has the original correct exhaust with the catalytic converter going into the split mufflers, has MagnaFlow exhaust on it, the factory tailpipes, and the floor pans and everything in this car are in really good condition. Front disc brakes, front and rear sway bars. It has the front, the valance and everything is the way it should be, and none of this stuff's messed up. It's very clean, all the flares are original. A really good car, really nice solid car. All the frame and everything's all real good. It's just painted satin black. It's been detailed, but it hasn't been repaired. Both sides, this is all real original. Very solid car, nice car. Positive traction rear end.